All right, welcome back to another video. I am glad you're here, and if you're new, hi, I am Laura Johnson. I do a bunch of crafty stuff. I am a mom that does not exploit her child, kid, child. So that's why you see a bunch of, blobs running around the screen because I do block her. I try my best to blur her out, and that way she has privacy. And I also learned a few more editing tricks on CapCut, so that's the editor that I used if anybody's interested, and it's pretty much helped me improve my editing a lot. I have more fun filming now, and I have more fun editing or making the videos because now that I know how to do all the fancy little things to keep y'all entertained, I am also entertained. So I feel that if I'm entertained, y'all are entertained. So this blanket was a blanket that I did for my husband. It's pretty much like a scrap blanket. I had a bunch of this chenille yarn and velvet chenille yarn, so I just put them all together and made this one pretty cool fall blanket. My husband is a very natural, nature theme kind of husband. He loves the outdoors, and he's an outdoorsy kind of guy and hunts and everything, so I figured this blanket was like the perfect color. It's also a very nice fall look. So we had a lot of fun just seeing how it turns out. Some of the colors that I wanted to stand out in this blanket did, and some of the colors that I didn't want to stand out didn't. So it all worked out. And then with all this crazy editing right here, show y'all how crazy, it was crocheting, making an action shot for crochet, make y'all interested in it. But this blanket, I chained 150, and then 2 chains from the hook I did a double crochet, and I crocheted all along, and each and every row is just double crochet. So if you don't know how to double crochet, it's yarn over, and then you put your hook through the chain, and then or the stitch. oh and here's me reorganizing my room, and I show it. But you yarn over, put through, yarn over, pull through, have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. And here's my room. I also added shelves. My husband taught me how to put shelves on the wall. How did I do? My husband did the top one, I did the bottom one, so I think I did pretty good. And then those are the shelves, or that's a shelf. That's a standalone shelf. The cabinet that I did.
Walk through, Nikki. Love you.
I love you too. Joke's on him. I found out how to edit that out. So this is what the not oven, what is that called, dresser turned out to be. It is now a coffee bar, and it looks really good in my kitchen. I like it. I got a lot of compliments when I had a little barbecue or a hog roast in my house, and everybody loved it, and they're like, that's a neat idea. And I said, I know, right? And I feel like it's an idea, or it's something that a lot of moms that I know do. Like around my area, moms get made fun of like getting dressers from the side of the road and like redoing it into like something for their house, or redoing it into a furniture piece. But yeah, that's what I did, and I love it so very much. I can put my coffee in some drawers. Ellie can't reach it because the other coffee bar setup that I had, my daughter would get into the creamer and spill it all over the floor, and now we don't have that problem, so it all works out. But yeah, this weekend was pretty cool. I liked doing all of this, or I liked finishing this blanket. It only took me a few days to do, so it turned out very nice. Right now it is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody. I hope you had a great one. It rained where I was, so hopefully it didn't rain where you were. But right now, that's why I'm just sitting in here just editing this video, because Ellie is still a little bit too young to enjoy 4th of July. We were going to get her some sparklers, but she wouldn't have been able to hold them, and she would have probably been too scared to do it anyways. Same with like the smoke bombs. She probably would have wanted to do them or been scared. So we're just like, you know what? It's not even worth it. But Hopefully yours was. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!